Namaste. Hi. Fire is the feisty, dynamic, active presence of the universal life force, the prana, the creator, the God as a universal power. And countless of stories, biblical texts, cardinal texts, ancient stories talk about the power of the fire in not just creating or building, but also flattening, yeah, and then destroying whatever gets in its way. Good. Now, in the practice of meditation, or particularly energetic practice of Hatha Yoga, yeah, we can utilize the power of that fire, the Agni, the Apana Vayu, in feeling the presence of this passive, non-reacting universal life force. They're actually just one energy, assuming different characters. One is passive, non-reacting, but present, boundless and timeless. And one is dynamic, active, so present. Yep. One is able to create, but not capable of creating because there's no power. And the fire is capable of creating, but too strong to create. It could be destructive. And therefore, for this fire to assume a creative power, it has to blend with something which is subtle, cool, non-reacting and passive. And this union is actually what we call the yoga. The union of these two polarities, Hatha Yoga, the high and the tha, the solar and the lunar energy, the Apana and the Prana, the Agni and the Soma. All right. So when we're able to learn how to unify this force in equal intensity, then we can experience the creative, healing presence of God. Okay. Hatha Yoga lays down many techniques, really. If you look at those techniques at a glance, they might feel non-related, because the text would just teach you the technique, the superficial technique needed to learn them, but it doesn't, the texts do not really explain the relationship of one to the next, and then so on and so forth. It's up to us as practitioners to decipher it, to crack it, to feel it, and only practice shall lead to that realization. But I'll teach Ujjayi Pranayama. All right. Ujjayi Pranayama, what we do there is we make room for the Agni, the Apana, the fire of the body to rise. Yeah? Because of that constricting of the pathways and utilizing the bandhas within to lift the hot or the fiery energy up. Good. Now, when we breathe halfway through the process using the Ujjayi, and then the next half using this natural breath flowing in, we can effectively blend them inside the body. Okay? So this is like the combination of two breathing patterns in one breathing cycle. So what I would normally do, and this is quite powerful, this could lead to absorption, and I've experienced absorption doing this technique. Yeah. So you can first breathe the Ujjayi, and halfway through that Ujjayi, finish the breath by inspiring naturally. And then you can feel, really it has this instantaneous effect. Yeah, like the inner body experiences this sensation similar to like you're having like your hair rise, like a spine chilling effect. Yeah. You might feel your body crawl, your skin crawl. Right? That's the blending of these two forces. Yeah, the hot dynamic energy from the Ujjayi and the passive, non-reacting, cooling energy coming from this natural, our natural gift. Yeah, you can also do the opposite. Inhale naturally first, and then supplement or complete that with the Ujjayi. And exhale out. Especially when you exhale, you can feel this rush of soothing electricity, energy cover you. And then with practice, you'll be able to master this blending. Meditation, pranayama, you're like a chemist, really. You're blending forces within so you can find that perfect match between one and the other energy you want to blend. And in Hatha Yoga, two are the most important. Don't worry about the other ones. Prana and the Apana. Prana being this passive energy entering the body through our natural breath, and the Apana, we have to rise or to ascend that Apana up using the techniques of Hatha Yoga. And then Ujjayi Pranayama is one powerful technique for doing that. So inhaling the Ujjayi halfway through it, complete with your natural breath, suspending your eyes between the eyebrows, passively looking, and exhale out. Good. You can explore that. Good. You can also explore in the future. Doing natural breath first, and then finishing with the Ujjayi, and then retain for a moment there. Good. So like you're filling up your body halfway full with either the fire first, and then supplement and complete that with the passive prana, or you can perform the prana first and lift your apana. Okay. A meditation technique, an energetic practice not written in the books. I don't have a name for it, but it is natural for me to do that. Because too much of that Ujjayi actually, yes, it could help you. Irrigate your pathway, because the fire, as I mentioned, has a way of purifying and then clearing the blockages out. But too much of it can burn the Soma inside. And therefore, to prevent that from happening, you still practice the Ujjayi and supplement that and balance it with your natural breath. I'll see you in the next one. Namaste. Bye-bye.